Welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to put new hood struts in the 4Runner. First thing we're going to want to do is get the hood open and propped up. So you can see here on the new one, it is a threaded rod with a ball on it, and same thing on both ends. So it's going to take a 12mm wrench to take the old one off, and then we're going to put the new one on. Okay, so here you can see the old and busted. The seals are just bad and it leaks. So old and busted, new hotness.
Old and busted, new hotness.
This one I can't even push in, so let's see how easy it is to install. Okay, then we just repeat this process on the other side. Alright, once both of them are installed, you should be able to remove your hood prop. And it stays open. Thanks for watching this episode of BA Performance. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out. Wow, look how good that works now. At least we can check the oil again. Hi-ho!
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.